We are here to trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. We are here to trick or treat. Oh, happy are we?
Welcome to Treehouse.
Hi, everybody. Today we're separating my headphones with my tablet today.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Today, I'm super excited to do this review. We got these wonderful headphones from Riwbox. And I'm so excited about doing them because we already owned a pair of headphones by them before they contacted us. We owned the really cool cat headphones that light up. And we were actually thinking about getting another pair of headphones because you can never have too many headphones around this house. And was super excited to get their email. So this pair of lovely headphones is the BT05. It's a Bluetooth wireless kids headphone set. It is foldable and super durable. I'm gonna try to twist it.
Yeah, look, I can twist it.
Oh man, don't break them. You're super strong.
I can twist it really far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, put them on. Let's see them on. Okay, now time for a closer look at these headphones. So these headphones have two different hearing modes. They have normal and kids mode, and you just switch between them by pressing this in button right here. And of course, here's the plus sign and the negative sign for volume up, volume down. And this is the power button to turn it on and off. And then you also have the jack so you can plug in the normal cord if you would like, the normal audio cord, and here's the charging port. And then here's a TF card slot over here if you would like to use that. And then of course, those cute little designs right here in the wings. And they had different color combinations. My favorite was with the green, but Natalie really liked this pink and purple. It can connect up to 10 feet away and even has a built-in mic where you can pick up phone calls with it. Now put them on. I want to see them on.
They go this way, right?
They do go that way.
Ooh, I actually pressed that up.
It's okay, you can put them on still. Beautiful. Alright.
I put my hair back so I can put them on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they won't itch.
They won't itch. Here, let me move this box. Alright. You want to hit play on one of your videos?
Okay, turn on my tablet. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna go get on Minecraft.
Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Tom, play Tacky too.
Okay, guys, she likes the headphones so much, I think we've already lost her. She's going to be addicted to her tablet and these headphones for the rest of the night. If you like these headphones, I will put a link to their Amazon page where you can pick them up yourself. The cat headphones are also amazing, and thank you for watching today. Bye, guys!
Please, guys, I really want to show you how Tom talks a little bit.
You want to show him how Tom talks a little bit?
Yeah.
Please don't go. How about we show them in a whole other video? Okay?